Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this stunning 2019 Kawasaki ZX10R. It's a beautiful bike, it sounds fantastic. It's from 2,087 miles from new. It's got that Lextek exhaust with the decat pipe, and also you can probably see underneath there, they do come with titanium headers on these as standard. So pretty much a full system. Obviously, got the digital display there, your revs count across the top, that looks awesome. You get the adjustable riding modes, and also the adjustable traction control as well. It's got the quickshifter fitted to this one. It's got the electronic Ohlins steering damper. Obviously get the fully adjustable Showa forks on there as well. But they're absolutely awesome bikes. If you do fancy this one, be quick, give us a call. I'll get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.